Hey, what is going on? I hope you're all having a beautiful day, that you're enjoying the sunshine or whatever you are doing. I hope that everything is going well for you. I wanted to make this video about how to reconnect with your heart when you're dealing with stress or when you're dealing with overthinking, when you are maybe scared about something. It's a quick exercise. You can do it for at least 3 minutes. That it will be effective and you will feel a change within your body immediately. So what you can do, firstly, find a quiet space. Wherever you are, try to find a space where you can be by yourself, where you will not be disturbed, and find a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair, on the floor. You can even walk while you're doing it. So when you will be ready, you can slowly start breathing deeper but much slower. So slow down your breathing and you can place your hand onto your heart. You can touch it gently, or you can just place your awareness onto your heart. And why we're doing it? Because we are becoming more aware of our heart. Our heart is the strongest energetic spot in our body. It's the place for creativity, or the source of creativity. It's the source of higher energy we call love. When we feel gratitude for life and for things that we have, we are also activating our heart. So this is really powerful center within our body. So become aware of your heart. Like I said, you can place your hand onto your heart, or you can just become aware of your heart. You can close down your eyes, or you can watch. Depends of where you are. If you don't want to be disturbed by your environment, you can close your eyes. But if you're outside in the nature, you can also look around you with the gratitude of ability for being where you are, with your attention on your heart. So when you will place your attention onto your heart, breathe deeply into your heart, as all the air that you are breathing in is traveling straight to your heart, and it is filling it with light and love for life. The second thing that you will do is awaken the emotions of joy. Think about something that brings you lots of great energy. Think about the memory where you were truly happy, when something truly amazing happened to you. Think about that moment and try to imagine as you are there again and experience those emotions of joy and happiness within your heart. Then the next thing is become grateful for this moment. Become grateful for your heart that is giving you life. Become grateful for the ability that you can experience this life through your body. You will become more aware that you are not just the body, you are the consciousness, the awareness within your body, with the ability for expressing itself, but also for touching and smelling and talking and tasting and hearing, for the ability of all of that, which is truly amazing. By that we can become more aware what kind of blessing life truly is. And this is it. That's how you can reconnect with your heart. That's how you will get all the energy back from overthinking, from stress, from fear. You can do it anywhere you want, but do it for at least 3 minutes. That's how you will make a benefit for your body, because your heart will start working on more synchronized energy, and your heart will also get synchronized with the brain frequency, which means we will synchronize our heart and our brain, and we will create this heart-brain coherence, as scientists would say. This is all proven by science from HeartMath Institute. You can go and read about it, how to reconnect or how to awaken that heart center. So this is it, my friends. I'm sending you all blessings and love. Have a beautiful day and see you next time. Peace.